Good morning, children. This is your social teacher speaking. How are you, children? Hope you are all doing good. Children, today's session you are going to learn about Geography Unit 2. Title of the Unit 2 is Land and Oceans. Okay. Already part 1 and part 2 that you have learned about the half of the unit of this land and ocean topic. Okay, children? Yes. And here in the slide that you are seeing a pie diagram, no, that is the pie chart which is learned by you in our last session, that is in a part 2 of your land and ocean unit 2 geography lesson. Okay, children? Yes. So before moving to a main session of this class, I want to give a small recap regarding your this unit 2 lesson. That means land and ocean, that you have learned about and understand about continent and oceans, and you know the characteristic features of different landforms. In this different landforms you have learned first order, second order landform, third order landform. Under the first order landform you have learnt about continents, oceans, and in second order you have learnt about mountains, plateaus, plains, and in the third order you have learned a lot about, along with the examples, valleys, beaches and sand dunes. Okay, children? Yes. And the next, under the third, that means third order of classification of landform, you have been learned about ocean. Ocean means water, small definitions. Okay, and afterwards it is covered 2/3 of water body in a land areas, entire of the our planet. That is, water is found in the oceans and sea, and seas or the water bodies. Partially and fully it is enclosed with the land area that you have learned. And afterwards you have referred about the pie chart, through by the pie chart, and what are the percentage of the area of oceans is covered. Okay, see here the blue color is referred as Pacific Ocean, which is covered by 47% of what, the ocean area, and another one red color is denotes here Atlantic Ocean. It is covered 23%, okay, of ocean area. And third, that means what, green color, it is denotes Indian Ocean. It covers the ocean of area nearly 20%. And that is no the violet color, purple color with the violet color, it is a Southern Ocean. It denotes about Southern Ocean. It's covered nearly 6% of area as a ocean. And blue color, it denotes about 4% of the area is undertaken by Arctic Ocean. Okay, children? Yes. Through by this we are going to start our today's session. And next to see here the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean on the earth. Have to take the notes of this, children, because in one more question also this question has asked to you. So okay, so far, which is the largest ocean, largest and deepest ocean on the earth, means you have to answer what one that you have to answer. You have to answer about Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. Okay, yes. And now see here, the total area of the earth is nearly, it is about 168.72 million square kilometer. Okay, million means what? As in the word, it means the meaning is a very large amount. But in the side of a mathematics side, if you want to know the million means, already that you have your max tutor have taught you about that million in Indian system and the international system. Here I am giving a small brief notification about that million means. It is in the international system that you have learned. That is means what, 1,000 is known as 1 million. Okay, which is come as next to number 1. That means what, 6 zeros. it follows 1 followed by 6 zeros is called as a million. Okay, so like us, a million square meter is referred here 168.72 million square kilometer. Okay, children, as covered by the total area of Earth. Okay, see here, bounded by Asia and Australia in its west. So you are going to see on the next here, this is a picture is going to depict about that. So before of that, you have to know in the words. See, the Pacific Ocean is bounded by the continent of Asia and Australia. As in the which side? The side of West North America also, and in that on the west direction North America is bounded, and in the east direction the South America is bounded. Okay, children, so the Pacific Ocean is in between of this the continents. So it stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. Okay, that we are going to see here. That shape is roughly a triangular shape. Which shape is the Pacific Ocean shape is? It's roughly given as what? A triangular shape. See here, it just we can take as an imaginary triangular shape. Pacific. See here, the Asia continent, on that east side North America, and South America here, and Australia. So for this, and near to this Pacific Ocean, the Philippine Sea took places there. Okay, children. Okay, and Aswan Sea is also here, the Bering Sea. Okay. Yes, next is China Sea here, and after the Japan Sea, which are all two places. This is a picture of Pacific Ocean and its marginal seas. Okay, children. Yes, what the meaning of marginal seas? You have to take the note of this, children. Marginal seas mean a marginal sea is a division of an ocean. Okay, let us talk about the ocean partially enclosed by islands, small islands. Islands means what? A large water body is covered. A small tiny place, a land area is surrounded by a large water body is called as islands. So this part of the places are known as islands, not this one is. So this one. Okay, yes, islands. So archipelagus or peninsulas. Okay, so for example, we can say as a peninsulas means a water body is covered at three sides. Take down this one as an example. Three sides, 1, 2 and 3 sides. So covered area is called as peninsula. So adjacent to or widely open ocean, where open ocean at the surface and are bounded by submarine ridges on the sea floor. Any large body of water with a sea in the name including lakes is called as what? Marginal seas. So these are all the marginal seas. Okay, Philippine Seas, Aswan Seas, China Sea and Japan Sea. Okay, so this is the picture which is depict about the area of Pacific Ocean. It's covered, okay, yes, in between of the continent. Okay, children, yes, this is a note about too. And next, islands and seas are located in this ocean. Island means what? Island means it's nothing but an island or isle is any. I am talking about and giving about a meaning to you. Behalf of the island is a isle is any piece of subcontinental land that is surrounded by water. I already given explanation through by the picture, children. We're surrounded by water. Very small islands such as emerged land features on atolls can be islets, 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 skerries, cays or keys. Okay, so very simply you can say as an island may be described. For this island, the meaning is an island may be described as such despite the presence of an artificial land bridge. Example, we can say, we can take down the Singapore and its causeway is also the islands. And next one is island, we can say from the text, we can take from the text is Indonesia and Philippines, etc. Okay, children. Next you see seas. Which are all the seas or took place near to the Pacific Ocean? That means the seas such as the Bering Sea, the China Sea, etc. as example, and a chain of volcanoes, Pacific Ring of Fire. The meaning, the Pacific Ring of Fire means the ring of fire is here. I am giving the explanation about this. See here, the ring of fire is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean, okay, where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occurs in a large, that means nearly 40,000 kilometer horseshoe shape. It is associated with a nearly continuous series of oceanic trenches, volcanic arcs, and volcanic belts and plate movements. It has, okay, it has nearly, the Pacific Ring fire has nearly, how many volcanoes are there? So nearly 452 volcanoes, children. You have to take note of this, okay, nearly 452 volcanoes were took place in the Pacific of Ring fire. Okay, see here, do you know the Spanish navigator Ferdinand Magellan was named to the ocean. Which ocean? The Pacific Ocean. He laid the name, he levied the name Pacific. Okay, he is the first person. He belonged to which state, which country? Spain country. The meaning of Pacific means what? Calm or tranquil. It is known as calm or tranquil. Okay, children? Yes, let me move to the map slider. Continent and ocean. Children, see here, in this map you are going to know about what are all the continents. Already have known well about that continents, which are all nearly 7 continents: North America, South America, and afterwards see here that Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Okay, so these are all the continents which is occupied by our land area in on the earth. Okay, children, so that is the continent, or Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica. This two also you have to include at this two. So nearly 7 continents, or Antarctica and Europe. At last we can take an Australia, children. Okay, the oceans. Oceans are, what are the oceans? Ocean, see here, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. It's a globe in a shape, no, the earth. So for the Pacific Ocean as a part of your left and right. Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay, children, and afterwards Southern Ocean, and the next is Arctic Ocean. Okay, Arctic Ocean is here. These are all the specialities. It is given on your text also. After this you can refer your text saying. So see here, these oceans are well versely helpful to for what? To carry on the goods as a movement for name of trade. The second largest ocean, shape of the ocean, Atlas 2 as what here is the shape of the ocean is look like as a shape. Okay, the largest and deepest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Its speciality, Arctic Ocean, small ocean. Okay, yes, and afterwards Europe, it is a second architecture in an of that ranks, it is third. The local population of the world, under the population it is ranked as third. Europe, it is the largest continent in the state. Asia, this is Asia. Asia continent is the largest continent in the world. Okay, it is the first rank took place for the population of the world, first place. And the Indian Ocean, it too also specialized for what? It is the smallest specialized for Indian Ocean. It is named after the India. For what? Named after India, the third largest ocean, and it is triangle in shape. Okay, children, and this is Asia. Once again I am telling, it is the largest continent in size. It's ranked first in total population of the world. And the Europe, you can take the example, it is the second smallest continent in the size. It ranks third in total population of the world. And see here, this is the smallest ocean. It ranks, that means no, it is remains frozen. Often it is frozen, freezed for most of the year. Okay, covered with ice. Yes, Eurasian basin is the deepest point here. Okay, children, and see here next the Southern Ocean regarding you are going to know about here, surrounded the continent of Australia. I'm sorry, Antarctica. It is bounded by the southern part of Pacific, Antarctic, and the Indian Ocean. So deepest point south Sandwich Trench is also took place at there. Very elaborately regarding this each and every oceans you are going to know as in the forthcoming of your slides, children. Okay, North America regarding you can know it is the third largest continent in size. It ranks what the fourth in total population of the world. Okay, children, and about Antarctica means see here it is the fifth largest continent in size. Okay, in size, no permanent resistance there took place. Researchers are around 4,000 people only stay here. This is a specialty of this Antarctica. The researcher who take over the research about the nature. Okay, so these are all the known as researchers. Various subjects researchers also known as researchers here, especially here they have take research regarding the nature or climatic conditions. Okay, children, yes, let me move to see elaborately about oceans. And before of that, 6-degree channels, 8 degree, 9 degree and 10 degree channels we have known about that. What is the meaning of 6-degree channel, children? That is, the 6-degree channels is divided where two land areas, for example, two land areas were divided by two water bodies. For example, see here, this is India, this is a one is land area, and this one Sri Lanka is also a land area. This is South India is also land area, which is divided by, see here, in between of the water. So divided by a water body is called as what we can say as the water body is measured by using of the latitude degrees. Okay, so this is known as what? The latitude. Here the 6-degree channel is calculated. I am just given here only example. What is the meaning of what? How the degree is calculated. Now see here the degree, the same degree, 6 degree is calculated near to India. India's one of the part is the island belong to India is Andaman is this side where the arrow mark is given. No, Andaman is this side, and here the Maldives is this side, Arabian Sea, and Andaman is took place in a near to Bay of Bengal as very near to Indonesia. Okay, children, yes. Now see here the 6-degree channel is measured the north latitudes, the imaginary lines which follows in latitude, no, is that large latitude which is run over parallel to equator, that the line are called as latitude. In your unit 1 that you have learned about latitude means what? Children, say 6-degree channel, this separates which point? Indira point and Indonesia. Indira point is where it is situated in Andaman Nicobar Island, last point, but at present Indira point is vanished because of the what is it, no, that ruin of flood. Okay, yes, and Indonesia, which is separated, Indira point in Indonesia, that the channel is called a 6-degree channel. It lived on north latitude 6 degrees, so it is called a 6-degree channel. Like as the same way 8-degree channel which separates Maldives. Already I thought you know about Maldives. It took place in India's Arabian Sea. Okay, as Maldives, it is an island of India, Maldives, and Minicoy Island. It too also belong to Maldives, which were they both are separated by the north, the latitude of. Okay, the latitude of north latitude of 8-degree channel is called as what? 8-degree channel. Okay, yes, and 9-degree channel, it's also separated Lakshadweep Island and Minicoy Island. Here see, we are just especially we are knowing about, you are learning about the island of India. So Lakshadweep Island, it also belongs to where? The Maldives. Okay, Lakshadweep Island and Minicoy Island, it is separated by a water body. It is took place on a 9-degree north latitude, and 10-degree north latitude channel separates what? Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is situated on the side of where? India's Bay of Bengal side. Okay, yes. Next to know the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean, and it took part one-sixth of the Earth area as its own, nearly 85.13 million square kilometer as its covered area. It took as its covered area, and near to this Atlantic Ocean, the bounded areas are North America and South America. It nearly stretches what? That it is nearly stretches to the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. It's shaped like as S. See here, it's just a shape as what? It is given as a S shape. So the shape of Atlantic Ocean is what means you have to answer S. Okay, the word, the letter S. Atlantic Ocean. It is bounded by what? North America, South America. Okay, and Africa and the Europe continent. Okay, children? Yes. The Strait of Gibraltar connected the Atlantic Ocean with the Meridian Sea. Okay. So this is also one of the extra point. The Strait of Gibraltar connects the Atlantic Ocean. See now, you are all, the strait means what? The strait, the word, a narrow piece of sea that join two larger sea is called as what? Strait. For example, you can take down in a very simple way. See, the narrow sea is India's southern part, and this is Sri Lanka. So this narrow strait, which is divided by a water body, no, it is called as strait. That the strait is known as Palk Strait. Okay, children. So here the meaning about the narrow piece of sea that join two large area. The two large. One is South India, another one is area of Sri Lanka is joined by the two large narrow piece of water body is called as strait. Okay, let's see now. So like I said, Atlantic Ocean and its marginal seas are this Caribbean Sea. It is not given as very clearly in your book. As the reference of your atlas, you can be verified, children, this one. So Gulf of Guinea, this one is Gulf of Guinea, Guinea, Guinea. This is Caribbean Sea. Okay, children, yes, this is called as North Sea. Okay, next to see here, it connects the Strait of Gibraltar, connects the Atlantic Ocean with Meridian Sea. The busiest ship route, this Atlantic Ocean is called as the busiest ship route. Why that means? Along with this ship routing, the trade took place from where to where? From the eastern to western hemisphere, where they landed the continent. So Milwaukee Deep, the deepest point, marginal seas which are surrounded to Atlantic Oceans, where it is a deep sea, the deepest point is known as in Atlantic Ocean as Milwaukee. Okay, what are the seas are surrounded to Atlantic Ocean? The seas such as what? The Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Sea, etc. Here the islands, what are the islands that you have say in that Atlantic Oceans near? That means St. Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland, etc. are the small islands that you can find near to what? Atlantic Ocean. Okay, children. Yes. Next, we are going to see about the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean means whose ocean is that? Yes, of course, it is belong to our nation ocean. That is Indian Ocean, where near India is live. The third largest ocean, take the note of this, children, and it is nearly covered how many of the million square kilometers? 70.56 square kilometer. Its shape just orderly, just simply as a roughly called as a triangular shape, bounded by Africa. It means what? It is bounded by Africa in the west and Asia in the north and Australia in the east. So that islands are near to that Indian Ocean is what that no? Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Maldives, etc. Okay, children, see here. This is Indian Ocean, and near to India, this is Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. Another one continent is Australia continent is also levied on near to Indian Ocean. Africa is also took part of the ocean. Okay, not only the Indian Ocean is ownership of that India, it is to belong to, it's a nature, it's a gift of God, it is belong to another continent, Australia too, Australia's west side, and this one is as Africa's which side, there is no east, southeast side also. Okay children, yes, this is the picture of Indian Ocean and its marginal sea. And next we are going to know about what? The Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica. And Southern Ocean is covered which continent? It is near, surrounded the continent of Antarctica continent. It is closed by 60 south latitude, 60 degrees south latitude. Okay, total area it is nearly covered 21.96 million square kilometer. Okay, you have to take the notes of each and every oceans, the million square kilometer. Why that means? One more question is asked from this. Okay children, by reference you have to answer. It is bordered by the southern part of, that is no, the Southern Ocean is bordered by what are the parts? The Pacific, the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. So here the marginal seas, already I have given about the definition. Marginal means what? A marginal sea is a division of an ocean partially enclosed by islands. Okay children, so it is called as marginal seas. The example of marginal sea in Southern Ocean, what are they? The Ross Sea, the Weddell Sea and the Davis Sea. Island is near occupied to the Southern Ocean is Fowler Island, Bowman Island, etc. Nature of the ocean. What is the nature? What is the future of this ocean? Very cold and covered with sea body. Okay, yes, water body, ice, sea ice, especially sea ice. Okay, here the deepest point in the Southern Ocean, which one means the deepest point in Southern Ocean is called as South Sandwich Trench. What is the meaning of trench children here? Trench mean it is nothing but a long narrow hole. Trench means what? A long narrow hole dug in the ground for water to flow along is called as what? Trench. So South Sandwich Trench is the deepest point in the ocean of Southern Ocean. Okay, yes, see, this is a picture of Antarctica. Antarctica Ocean. Antarctica Ocean is covered by the marginal seas of Ross Sea, Davis Sea and Weddell Sea. Okay children, yes. Children, from here I am going to end my today's session. In next session, the remaining part of the Arctic Ocean, and afterwards the the part and your book back exercise will be discussed and learn. Okay, thank you children, take care and do your homework very regularly. Bye children.